there are some things in the garden this year that I'm like, I just really want to have. It's just really frustrating me that they look so crappy.
Welcome to Food Prude, where we're learning old-fashioned ways in a modern world.
They're not doing very good. Like the fresh eating stuff that I want right now. Learning patience is really, really hard as a gardener. Well, maybe as a human. I'm not really sure. I really want zucchini and cucumbers and some peas. None of them are really working out. I feel like I've had to replant everything. They look pretty sad. There's cucumber beetles that are coming to get everything. And it's just so annoying. But I also have to reflect back and go, okay, this is why I keep a garden journal. When do they actually start to show up? So I got to look at the garden journal. And then I got to realize that this year, particularly for 2026, we are 2 weeks behind everything. So I have to learn to be patient, which is I'm not going to lie, it's stupidly hard. And here I am spraying my kelp, hoping get speed stuff along, get their solar panels going. And then I also know by experience over many, many years is that not every year will you get the same stuff. Some years will be true gangbusters of something over in abundance. And then some years will be nothing and you won't get anything. So the years that you get the abundance, you are thankful and you preserve. When God provides, you preserve. That's how one of my things I always say. When God provides, you preserve, because you never know what you're going to get next year. So just because you get something really great and everything worked out that first year doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be like that the next year. So you got to make sure you just are, being thankful for what you get, learning that patience and everything like that. And then when he provides, you preserve. And I also am a pessimistic gardener for sure. I definitely go, oh, I'm not going to get anything. And then when I get something, I'm like, yeah, baby, I got it. But this year in particular, I'm going, why can't I get cucumbers? Look at that. I don't know if you can show it in the camera without getting too bouncy. Look at that. Zucchini. Come on. I want some zucchini and some cucumbers now. But again, learning the patience. Just sharing my day with you, friends. Thanks for being here with me.
Thanks for being here with me, friends.